Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating and rapidly evolving topic: how to market your business in the metaverse. Section 1. Understanding the metaverse. Before we jump into marketing strategies, let's make sure we're on the same page about what the metaverse actually is. The metaverse is a collective virtual shared space that combines aspects of physical, augmented, and virtual reality. It's a space where people can interact, socialize, work, and even do business, all in a digital environment. Example 1. Roblox. Think of it like Roblox, a platform where users can create, explore, and play in their virtual worlds. Businesses like Gucci have even set up shop here, selling virtual fashion items to the community. Example 2. Decentraland. Or consider Decentraland, a blockchain-based virtual world where you can own, build, and monetize your digital assets. It's a prime example of the growing metaverse economy. Section 2. Why should businesses care about the metaverse? Now, let's discuss why it's essential for businesses to pay attention to the metaverse. 1. Vast market potential. The metaverse offers access to a vast and engaged user base. Virtual spaces are becoming the new frontier for consumer engagement. Example 3. Fortnite events. Take Fortnite, for instance. It has hosted in-game events with millions of viewers and even concerts by artists like Travis Scott, introducing new ways for brands to reach younger audiences. 2. Innovation and immersion. Businesses that embrace the metaverse can stay at the forefront of technological innovation, providing immersive and memorable experiences for customers. Example 4. Meta's Horizon Workrooms. Meta's Horizon Workrooms is an example of how businesses are using VR technology to conduct meetings and collaborate, offering a glimpse of the future of work. Section 3. Strategies for marketing in the metaverse. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of marketing your business in the metaverse. 1. Virtual brand presence. Start by establishing a presence in metaverse platforms relevant to your industry. Create a virtual store, showroom, or experience that aligns with your brand. Example 5. Nike's virtual sneaker drop. Nike, for instance, launched a virtual sneaker drop in Decentraland, giving users a chance to purchase limited edition virtual sneakers, creating buzz and demand. 2. Engage with the community. Interact with your audience in meaningful ways. Host events, participate in discussions, and listen to your customers' feedback. Example 6. Virtual meet and greets. Consider hosting virtual meet and greets with influencers or experts in your niche. It's a great way to connect with your audience. 3. Leverage NFTs. Explore the world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to create unique digital assets or collectibles related to your brand. Example 7. NFT art galleries. Artists and brands are already selling NFT art and collectibles in the metaverse, opening up new revenue streams and opportunities. Section 4. Building trust in the metaverse. In the metaverse, as in the real world, trust is crucial for business success. 4. Ensure security. Make sure your virtual transactions are secure and your customers' data is protected. Trust is fragile, and a data breach can be devastating. Example 8. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is being used to secure virtual transactions and verify the authenticity of digital assets, enhancing trust in the metaverse. In conclusion, the metaverse presents exciting opportunities for businesses to connect with audiences in entirely new ways. By understanding the metaverse, embracing innovation, and building trust, you can position your business for success in this evolving digital landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on navigating the metaverse. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the metaverse.